Afternoon all, welcome to Man Cave Hobbies. I was surprised this little package came this morning, which has been put on full national lockdown in the United Kingdom, and it arrived. So I'm going to do a little unboxing, tell you what I've got, and yeah, let's get to it. Get me a little knife. There we go. Looking good. Get the first one out. And the second. Wow, that's in good condition. Okay, put the knife away, make sure it's safe. Okay, the first one is Golf Masters 2. I have the first one. There's a video on it, me unboxing it a couple of months back, and I came across this. I didn't realise the did a series 2 on this. So yeah, looking forward to opening this and see the differences. And also, I think this was made in 19... is there a date anywhere? 1994. Yeah, 1994, this one. And this one is LCD Space Fighter, which is really cool. So this is from the same guy on eBay. I shall leave a link in the description box below, so go have a look at his retro gaming content. Awesome guy, really nice guy, comes from Leeds, and he'll post them straight away ASAP. So yeah, and this one was made in 1993. So let's open this one first. So this will go nicely with my collection. Oh man. So this box, let's just show you this box. It is in really nice condition. Absolutely lovely condition. So I put batteries in them both, this one and the golf one, but unfortunately this one doesn't work, it won't turn on. So I had a quick look off camera to have a look inside, and it's just full of corrosion. I mean, this is what you expect for a 30-year-old handheld. Anyway, not to worry about that. Let's get on with the Golf Master 2. Let's open it up. So I think this one is somewhat similar to the one I've got, but it's just a different shell, a different course. So yeah, so this one is definitely working. So there we go.